Break it down, Nicole?
Yes, we are. We got a very chilly start here this morning. Temperatures in the teens and 20s. You need to bundle up before you head out the door. Make sure the kids are ready if they are going to be waiting outside at the bus stop. May want to even drive them to the bus stop. Just keep them warm a little bit longer because these temperatures are very cold. We have these clear skies, which has allowed those temperatures to drop pretty quickly overnight. And any area roads here that are still wet from some of the snow that we saw yesterday that may have melted likely has frozen back over, so be careful for some of those icy spots as well. Had a lot of accidents yesterday in Iredell, Catawba, and Lincoln counties. 19 degrees right now in Salisbury. We're at 21 in Concord, 17 for you in Hickory. Across the mountains, temperatures sitting in the teens. As we move through the day, gradually going to see those temperatures warm up, but unlike yesterday, we'll actually start to see those winds transition out of the southwest. That's going to be pulling in some of this warmer air for us, and it will allow those temperatures to warm to nearly 50 degrees. Now, our average high this time of year, 57, so we'll be staying below that, but it will be warmer than yesterday, so it'll be a noticeable difference. 49 for your high in Gastonia. We'll get to 47 in Statesville. Temperatures even across the mountains here will be topping out in the low 40s. Tonight, temperatures won't be quite as cold, falling back into the mid 30s across the area, but the winds will be picking up, and an incoming cold front is going to be dropping back those temperatures for parts of the area tomorrow. As that front slides through, we'll actually see dropping temperatures here across the mountains and throughout the foothills and gradually into the Piedmont. Not only are we going to see those colder temperatures arrive back in the region, we're also going to see those winds pick up here overnight, and we have a high wind warning across the mountains, and this goes from this evening through Thursday at 4 o'clock. Now, there is that risk of power outages here with winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. We could see some of those scattered outages, so you want to make sure that you are ready and you have all of your devices charged here. We'll have winds out of the northwest sustained 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour with those peak winds here arriving Thursday morning. Now, that's going to impact how it feels with our feels like temperatures looking ahead to tomorrow morning, feeling like the teens in the mountains. Through the rest of the area, we've got low 30s. But as we move into the day, 2, 3 o'clock, this should be the warmest part of the day. We're going to see those wind chills dropping into the single digits and teens for the high country. Across the rest of the area, actual highs will be near 50 degrees, but it'll be feeling more like the low 40s around 2 o'clock. And as we get towards sunset, we got single digit wind chills across the high country with those feels like temperatures at 7 o'clock here in the mid 20s. Friday morning is going to be bitter cold with those wind chills dipping below zero for the mountains. Across the rest of the area, it's going to be feeling like the teens with those overnight lows settling back into the 20s. That cold snap arrives again here Friday. We'll get a brief opportunity to warm up today and for at least the first half of the day tomorrow, but by Friday, those temperatures are going to be falling right back into the low 40s. Sunny and dry.